Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website built using Hostinger Website Builder that you want to delete, click on these three dots and select delete. But before that, let's give this website a visit. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. But before that, let's give this website a visit. This is the website that I will delete in this video. Now to delete it, click on these three dots, select delete. You will see this pop-up. They let you know that all website data will be deleted, so make sure to save anything important. This action can't be undone. Yes, I understand that all data of this website and its subdomains will be lost and can't be recovered. Emails can be restored within 30 days. Now click on delete. Your website is being deleted and it can take up to 10 minutes for your site to be deleted. Click on done and my website was removed successfully. Now if I try to refresh this website, I see this page with this page not found error message. And this is how to delete a website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.